My name is Mde. Thank you so much for checking out my YouTube channel. Today I made jollof rice, vegetable jollof rice with dried fish. So I'm going to start off frying my fresh tomatoes, fresh peppers, and onions and garlic together. So I already have a jollof rice video, so I'm kind of like just skipping this part because I feel it's like a repetition. Okay, so I fried fresh tomatoes, fresh peppers, and then I'm going to season with dried pepper, dried garlic, and dried ginger, seasoning a little bit of salt and thyme. So usually, as you guys know, I freeze my things because it just makes life easier. So all I did was just remove fresh tomatoes that I had blended and kept frozen in the freezer, popped it on the fire, as well as the pepper. So what I'm going to do is just pop this in, and I've done my seasoning. I put about 4 cubes of seasoning because the rice is a bit much and I'm trying to reduce the amount of salt that I cook with. Right. So I'm just going to let this fry. I don't know how you guys are doing it the quarantine season period, but for me this is Sunday morning. I'm not even sure when I'm going to air this. This is Sunday morning for me. We just finished having online service. So I'm just trying to do three different things at once. I'm going to make breakfast, lunch, and I'm going to do the dishes all at the same time. So yes, I've broken one piece of a whole dry fish. I made dried fish pepper soup yesterday, which I put. I think the video is already up somewhere. So I made dried fish pepper soup. So that's why I didn't bother showing the whole process of washing the fish and all of that because I already have a full video on which I did that and how I made the dried fish pepper soup. So the fish is super seasoned, super pepperish, very nice. So all I did was just pop that in. So as my fish is getting seasoned, so fish is cooking nicely, soaking in all the juices. I'm frying my egg and fish rolls for breakfast. Now they don't look that pretty, but oh my god, you guys, super nice. I'm still not sure if I want to do any videos on baking yet because I'm not like a baker, but I like to experiment and I love to try out new recipes. And we love to eat baked stuff in my house, so it's kind of easier to just know what is actually going into your food. So I'll consider if I should drop a few of my baking few of my baking videos. Keep in mind that I'm not a professional. I just do stuff that we can eat in the house, and every once in a while, I give family and friends. All right. So our fish is well, juiced up. So and remember that it was I already made pepper soup with it, so I don't want it to still now overcook, but I really need it to get disintegrated all over the rice. So that's basically that. So I have washed basmati rice. This doesn't really need to be parboiled, but I don't know. There's this thing about this Nigerian mindset that we parboil everything. I don't know if it's everybody, but I do. I tend to parboil rice that clearly states it was parboiled on the bag. So now I am trying to remove our egg rolls and buns from the fire on the other side while also checking to make sure that our rice is steaming nicely. All I did was just add another fish at the top that I didn't want to totally, disintegrate in the rice. Add a boiled egg because rice, you always eat rice with boiled egg if you can. And our rice is done, you guys. Your love rice is super easy once you just get the hang of it, all right? So yes, and then we're adding our greens at the end because I don't want these to cook. I'm basically adding this now because I'm ready to dish this and have a taste of what the rice looks like. So this is our jollof rice. It's ready, and it was really nice and super peppery. You guys remember my food is always super spicy and has a lot of pepper. So all you have to do is reduce the amount of pepper that you use for your own meals while following our recipes. If you want direct in-depth, you have to pay for my cooking class. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you loved this video, and please share it with your friends and let me know if you're going to try it. Okay, please hit the subscribe button, guys. Super, super important. I love you. Mwah.